Hey, what's up? Thank you for subscribing to the Patreon. In this, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the portfolio tracker. All right, so here we go. The first thing that you guys want to do, I'm going to be updating mine, but you want to go to the blank one. And then once you create a blank one, you go to File and make a copy and save it as a new file. Therefore, it will be your own spreadsheet that you can edit and change. Now, I'm going to show you guys my portfolio and how I use it to track it. Now, the first tab is the dashboard. This pretty much shows you everything in your account, your holdings, your average monthly income, yearly income, portfolio value, actual monthly income, future projections, things like that. But in order for this to work, you have to fill out these other four tabs at the bottom in order to accumulate all the information that you need right here. So the first one that you want to go to is your investing goals. You're in your age and how many years it is to you retire. So if you retire in 15 years, if you're retiring in 30 years, if you're retiring in 35 years, you're enter that there. So what's in white, you're enter your age, you enter how many years to retirement, and how much do you invest every single month. So for me, I invest $1,000 a month. If you invest $500 a month, you're in $500 right there. And then everything else will be accumulated inside of your portfolio. So I'm going to change mine back to 1,000. All right, so there it goes. It shows you your current portfolio value after you fill out these other tabs, your estimated value at retirement. At the rate, I'll have around $5.7 million. And then I'll be able to withdraw $19,000 every single month. So I'll be able to draw out 4% every single month of this portfolio right here. So that'll be how much I'll be able to withdraw. And then you want to see how much do you need to live off of every single month by the time you retire. I say $6,000 a month. So you'll type that in right there. Tax rate, you can keep that 10%. Social Security, you can keep that at 10,000. All right, so we're going to go to my stock portfolio. I'm showing you guys how to use this. Now, as you fill out everything, it'll show you your gains, your losses, your growth, your dividend yield, everything while it's working. Let me show you guys how to set that up. So if you want to enter a new position, you'll just come down here and let's pick Microsoft for this example. So as we choose Microsoft, you just enter the ticker symbol MSFT right there. And then you enter how many shares you got. You guys see I have around 8 shares. So you enter 8 shares. And then the average cost is going to be right here where it says average cost. You enter $288.49. And then that's how you enter a new position. It'll show your gains, your growth, your annual dividend income. Everything that you need to know at a quick glance will be right there. So I left around 100 spots for you guys to fill out down here. I doubt you fill up all 100. If you do, you might need to take another look at your portfolio. So let's just blank out of that. And then we could get to the cool portion of this portfolio. So now we're going to go to our dividend income, right? So right here, you need to fill out all of the dividend income for the future projections to work, right? That's the very cool part about this portfolio tracker is the future projections. Now, this going all the way back to 2019. As you guys see, I was making 78 cents, 43 cents, $1, $1, and then I made $33, $10, $48, all the way back in 2019. So I've been tracking this for a while. 2020 was a good year, 2021, 2022, 2023, and here we are in 2024. And all you have to do is fill out this. You just go to your monthly statement for whatever brokerage you use, and it's going to say how much you made in dividends that month, and then you just enter that right here on any current month. Now, the cool part about this is when we go to our future projections. But hold on, if let's say I made $500 in July and $700 in August. Just throw out some crazy numbers. It'll actually change over here as you go. Now, we go to our future projections. All right, so the cool thing about this, all you got to do is enter your portfolio value, and the actual dividend income is already carried over from this Excel sheet right here, the dividend income. So if we used to scroll down, you guys can see that in the month of June, I did make $302. And then as an example, I entered $500 and $700. It's automatically carried over from this one. So if I was to enter $800 right here, go back to future projections, it'll pop up as 8. All you got to do is enter your portfolio value at the end of each month for one of these. And then this right here is the future projections of what you could make in the future. So based off of these numbers, it's a very confusing algorithm that I got going on right there that includes all of this crazy numbers going on up here, and then it could give you future projections all the way out to 2028 on what you will be making every single month based off the growth of your portfolio. So if we scroll out, let's say to 2028, I could be bringing in $2,000 every single month. All the way to the end of 2028, I could be bringing in $3,420 every single month as long as I continue along this growth pattern right here. And then on the last tab, all you got to do is come over to you want to just enter all of your information, your monthly household income, not just your income, but your household income. You enter that right there. Your monthly debts, car notes, house note, all of your debt that you need to put in, your credit cards, anything like that. And then your salary, how much you make every single year. And then your investments is already carried over from one of these tabs down here. You have your investments down there. And then it'll show you how much you can afford. This is the what can I afford. So you could afford around $1,944 a month in your house. Car note, you could afford around $625 every single month. And then you could randomly buy something that year worth $5,000 because that's 4% of your investment. So if you do have a good investment portfolio, you can go in and buy up something worth 4% that year. You can either spread it out, take a good vacation, anything like that. So let's move over to the blank sheet. Once again, this is the blank sheet. You guys are going to go to File, make a copy, save it as your own. And then you go to your investing goals. You entered up everything that you want to enter. Your stock portfolio, I just left that right there as an example. And then we got dividend income right there. I just put 10, 20, 30. You guys could change it up. You could go all the way back to 2019 if you want, or you could start in 2024. And then or you can just change the numbers up here as well. And then you'll go out to your future projections. There we go. So for our future projections, remember, you'll just enter your portfolio value, and then these three would carry over from the dividend income. So if I was to go to dividend income and type in, let's say we made $1,000 this month, and then $2,000 this month, and then $3,000 this month, right? Just throwing out some crazy numbers. We go back to the future projections. There it goes, already formulated. You just enter your portfolio value, and then this will show your dividend future projections based off the growth and your actual dividend income and different percentages that's formulated to work for your future projections. And then it'll show right here the next couple of months. This is what you'll look like if you're I mean, you're not going to be making 1,000, 2,000, double your dividend income every single month. But this is the algorithm that I use, and it's kind of accurate for the most part, using the growth rate of your month-over-month growth rate for your dividend income. So this will give you your future projection. So let me go back in and change that so it doesn't get confusing for you guys. So I'm going to leave that blank right there. And that's it, guys. That's how you use the portfolio tracker. Make sure you hop inside the Discord and use every tool in there that you can possible to make some money. Thank you for joining the Patreon. Hope to see you again next month.